Hey guys, it's Big Weather with a tropical update on this Tuesday, 12th day of August, and we're going to talk about Tropical Storm Erin, what could be headed our way over the next couple of days, and what we're watching right now, along with the latest update from the National Hurricane Center. So let's go ahead and get you that information right now. As of 5 o'clock, maximum sustained winds have not changed. 45 miles an hour, gusts going to 60 miles an hour. It's moving west at 22. It is expected to work across warmer water, and that will strengthen it to a Category 3 hurricane by Sunday. So this could become our first major hurricane of the season. Certainly something to keep an eye on as we head through the next couple of days. If we look at the spaghetti plots, these are just various models. You can see as we head into Saturday, Sunday, Monday, almost all of them curve it up to the north. One or two take it a little further west, but they eventually all curve it to the north. But I thought tonight, to do something a little different, we'd actually look at some of the model breakdowns. So we're going to start with the GFS ensemble. And the GFS is the American model, and this is what's called an ensemble model. So it basically starts with different information each time, and it runs to a solution. And then it takes all 30 solutions, and it picks the best solution. We'll show you the best solution in just a moment. But if you'll notice, as of Monday, the model does have a couple of these going to the east of Bermuda. It does have a couple going toward the Bahamas. It does take 3 of the 30 actually take it up towards South Carolina or Florida, but the rest of them all curve to the north. And that's pretty good that 90% of the ensembles are taking it up to the north and away from the Carolina coast. So the GFS model then outputs what it thinks is the most appropriate solution. And you'll see here it comes working its way, and it actually takes a little further east. The latest GFS model takes it east of Bermuda now. So it goes with that 90%, the 90% of all the ensembles saying, hey, this is going to be more of an easterly track. And this is more east from where it was yesterday. Let's take a look at the European model. Everybody says, what's the European model doing? Well, the European uses 50 different solutions. And you can see through Sunday, all of those solutions take it due west, north of Haiti and Puerto Rico. And then as we go into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, most of these, I'd say 60 to 70%, take it up through Bermuda or east of Bermuda. A couple do bring it a little further west and closer to us. As a matter of fact, 4 or 5 of the solutions bring it up in. That's 4 or 5 out of 50. So that's not even a 10, it's 10% or less bringing it closer to us. Again, when 90% are taking it to the east, we'll look at the final solution of all of those put together. It brings it up between the Bahamas and Bermuda, and then it takes it right across Bermuda and back out to sea quickly. So that is good news. Is this written in stone? Absolutely not. Remember, a model is not a forecast. It's just a tool. Just like we use a hammer and a screwdriver and a saw to build a house, we use a bunch of different tools or models to help make a forecast. But what does this tell us right now? What does it mean to you? It means that through Saturday of this week, you don't have to worry about any hurricanes in our area. That being said, you should use this time to make a hurricane kit. And this is from the American Red Cross. These are some of the things they have, and it's on our website. If you just Google abc11.com hurricane kit, you'll come to several pages. This includes water, a 3-day supply of water, at least a 3-day supply of non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, a hand crank radio. I know I've got one of those. It's great. Extra batteries, a first aid kit, medications, and a bunch of other things. So I invite you to use this time when we're not seeing a hurricane to make sure you're ready for when the hurricane comes. Even if it doesn't turn out to be Erin, it's certainly something we'll be keeping an eye on as we head into the heart of hurricane season. And the heart of hurricane season for us is actually September into October. So be ready, be prepared. We'll keep you updated tomorrow night again with another update on air, and we'll see which way the models have shifted. But for now, stay safe out there and get prepared.